What's up, Miami? I'm your trusted porcelain floor tile and grout cleaning professional, Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. Miami and surrounding areas, #1 choice. Today we're tackling a challenged bathroom floor where the grout lines have turned black, losing their original charm. But don't worry, we're here to bring them back to life. Watch as we dive into the transformation process, restoring these floors to their pristine condition. Get ready to see the magic happen right before your eyes. And just like that, give us a call. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile is Miami and surrounding areas' #1 choice. Thank you for watching.